and the sun shines so bold. Only sandy hands can shape the mold. Somebody once said, let's build a castle in the sun. We need to leave our mark before the day is done. We're kings and queens with dripping crowns so sweet. Tag shovels deep, Bonnie's walls complete. Myles with his moat, Graham shapes the keep. Laughing loud beneath the sky, memories will keep. The waves may wash away what we made here today. Hey now, with each lesson, let's learn, let's grow. Hey now, as we build, our knowledge will flow, and the waves gently sigh as our castles reach high. With each grain of sand, we craft stories untold, building memories together, hearts intertwined bold. Hey now, sandy footprints mark our coastal song, shaping dreams in this sandbox where we all belong. Tags digging trenches, Bonnie's flags fly unfurled. Myles on the lookout, Graham's towers touch the world. Hey now, we're just dreamers, grab your spade, let's play. Hey now, we're believers, sand and sea, okay.